Hello everyone. Welcome to HTML web page part 2. So let's get started. As I told you in part 1 we first opened Notepad. And if you have not seen part 1 then first see that. So to save time I have copied basic HTML structure. I am gonna paste that. Now type body tag. So today, I will tell you how can you put background color in HTML web page. So, type BG color like this. And put equal to sign and write color name in double inverted comma like I am writing blue color. Then, I am writing heading computer so type H1 tag. Then I am writing subheading. So I am using H3 tag. In that I am writing what is a computer. Then, if I have to insert horizontal rule that is a horizontal line after main heading. So I am writing it after closing H1 tag. Write HR tag. And we set attributes of HR tag, so I am using size attribute and color attribute. So I am writing 5 pixels and color red. To write about computer we'll use paragraph tag like this. Then I write about computer. Then I am using BR tag to give a line break. It means the things written after the tag stars from new line. Uses of computer in a list. There are two types of list in HTML. Ordered list, that is a numbered list of item. And unordered list, in which list item are shown using bullets. So, I'm going to use ordered list in this. First I am writing OL tag. Then, I am writing LI tag that means list item. It is used to define items in list. So, I'm going to write 3 points about the uses of computer. Close OL tag. After closing OL tag close body tag, and HTML tag as well. Then, save the file with HTML extension, and the file will look like this. Then, if we want to insert image in web page, first we need to download image from Google. Then, I want to insert image after horizontal line, so I am writing img tag after hr tag. Then we have to use src attribute to define source of image. From the image downloaded, right-click on it and go to Properties, and copy the location. And also see the file name, and type, like this file is JPG type. Then, paste the location in double inverted commas. And put this one slash and type file name and type like comp.jpg. Then, press Ctrl+S or, go to File and, click Save. And the images inserted will look like this. Thank for watching and make sure to subscribe my channel.